All right, chefs, so before I do anything, I'm definitely gonna go in and make sure I am washing my hands before the task. So for this recipe, guys, you're gonna need grape tomatoes, 1 lemon or half of lemon, pink Himalayan salt, some black peppercorns or ground black pepper, crushed red pepper, some basil pesto, and garlic powder. So next thing you guys want to keep in mind is always work with a clean pot, pan, anything, like any utensils or equipment, always make sure it's clean. So I made sure this was clean before I went on for using it, and now I'm going to be filling up the pot with some water.